My name's David Morgan. I work at the Murdoch University's Harry Butler Institute. When I first started, the knowledge around a lot of the freshwater fish distributions within Western Australia was pretty rare. So as part of my early work, I started mapping the species distributions from Esperance all the way through the southwest, and then the Pilbara and a lot of the Kimberley as well. We've discovered a lot of new species. A lot of our research, a lot of the rewarding stuff is working with local communities on some of the threatened species and trying to create a lot of knowledge around why species are threatened and how we can protect them. Yeah, so the Harvey River Restoration Task Force is involved in some trial programs to turn some of these drains into better habitat for promoting longevity of some species. So what we do find, a lot of the freshwater fish in the drains, they're all fairly young, so they might only be less than a year old. So the fish are breeding in here, but then we will need to turn those 1-year-olds into 2-year-olds and 3 and 4 and 5-year-old fish, which you'll see in a big permanent river. There's a lot of different age classes. Particularly in the drains around the Harvey region is where we find a little bit of complex habitat, we'll get larger, older fish, and that's important to try and bring the ecosystem back. So any sort of rehab done by the community is positive, whether it's planting trees, whether it's stopping nutrient runoff, and making sure that no introduced species get into the waterways is pretty crucial. But the fact that people care, and water is so important to everyone, we all need water, and we just need to really value that water that we have, particularly in a continent like Australia where it's fairly scarce.